All right, friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is still going to be about managing a small trading account because I know how important it is to some of you that are watching me right now. Okay. I would like to walk you guys through this step, the process that I went through as a beginner trader, how I was able to make at least 100 to 200 US dollar per trading day that I want to engage this market. And the most exciting part of it is that since my beginner days as a trader, from the year 2020, 2021 up to this very moment, I have not really changed my trading strategy. The same strategy that I was using to make $100, $200 a day is the same strategy that I'm using today that is making me thousands of dollars when I want to engage this market. Now, the only difference is that the management approach has developed over time. Okay, the account management approach has developed over time. Because I'm managing a bigger account these days, so the value definitely going to increase. And I'm going to walk you guys all through the process in this video. Those of you that have a small trading account, and if you still have a proper account, a bigger account, you can also apply it to your bigger account. It's going to work for you. Now, this video is broken down into two categories. All right, the technical analysis part, which is the strategy we are going to be using on the chart to know when to place the buy or sell button, and also the management part, because as a trader, these are the only two areas you need to make sure you master very well: your analysis on the chart to help you guys make solid decisions in the market, and also your management skills to help you guys grow your account organically. I'll be starting with the technical analysis part, and this is the same strategy that I'm still using to trade up to this very moment. Okay, everyone who is close to me, especially my mentorship students, they know me very well that I love to trade. In fact, that is my trading strategy. I trade continuation pattern. Okay, I love to trade continuation pattern. In fact, that is my trading strategy. I like to follow what the market makers are doing in the market. I don't want to anticipate reversal in the market. Now take a look at this chart illustration right here. Okay, there are two types of market illustration I have indicated right here: this bullish side and then this bearish side. Now, as a trader personally, this is what I do. I focus on what the market is doing per time. For instance, let me focus on this bullish side, for example. So let me put a vertical line somewhere right here. Then let's focus on only this bullish market structure you are seeing right here. Now, my strategy is very, very simple. Okay, whenever I see a particular direction declared in the market, for example, this bullish or buy side of the market, okay, I am interested in looking for only buying opportunity in this market environment. And every market environment has two types of trading opportunity: the buying side and the selling side. For example, there are some traders that will be excited to trade all this retracement even on this bullish market environment. For example, they'll be looking for sell at this place for the market to drop to the downside. They'll be looking for sell. I don't love to trade that type of market because it's very risky. I'm going against what the market makers are doing. So when I see a market condition that is declared like this means bullish, right? Every day that I come to the market, every trading day that I want to trade, I'll be looking for buying opportunity because I'm on the bullish side of the market. Remember, I told you guys I will show you guys the technical analysis part. Also, I will also show you guys the management part. Now, the way I engage this market is that I don't necessarily use this particular pattern, like the market must expand like this and then come back like this before I take my trade somewhere here, then push it to the upside. For example, this is the typical pattern everybody's used to. Okay, impulse retracement, just like as it's shown right here on this market structure. But we all know in real life this is not how it usually is. Okay, because you don't see these fancy things on the chart most times. So the only thing I do with this whole illustration is it tells me the direction of the market. Okay, so I'm interested in the direction. Once I see something like this, I know, okay, the direction is bullish on any of the time frame. Right now I'm 1 hour time frame. The reason why I'm on 1 hour time frame is because I'm a day trader, so 1 hour time frame is best suitable for day trading. Okay, so with this kind of environment, I'm looking for only buying opportunity any day I want to engage the market. I'm going to show you guys how I engage this market. Okay, then for this bearish environment, the same thing I just explained on the bullish environment, the same thing I'll be looking for on this bearish environment. I'll be looking for only selling opportunity. Now let me explain further on how this thing works, especially the entry part of it. All right, because I've told you guys that I don't necessarily have to use this traditional pattern that everybody's used to. For example, expansion, price will come back to retracement, form of retracement, then before you look for entry. Okay, the way I do my entry is dynamic entry approach. Okay, as an ICT trader, as an ICT smart money trader, dynamic entry approach is the best form of entry than this static approach. This is what we call static entry approach. Okay, price will come in form of retracement and then people are looking for buying opportunity. Dynamic entry approach is making use of the ICT key zone. The ICT key zone is a special moment in the market where you have a lot of volatility, where a lot of things are going on. You guys have heard of ICT Key Zone in the past. I've done videos on ICT Key Zone, okay? So ICT Key Zone is a special moment. For example, here in Nigeria and UK time, it's usually from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. That is the hot zone of the market where you should be looking for entry, all right? So most times, you don't necessarily have to wait for this whole scenario to take place before. I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. Now, before I show you guys about the dynamic entry, let's quickly talk about the management approach, because I'm going to blend both of them together, the dynamic entry and then the management approach. But you need to know more about the management approach, because this video is broken down into the technical analysis part and then the account management part, okay? Now, this account management part is how you can make a lot of money even with a small trading account. For instance, if you have a $100 account, chances are if you do too much in a day, you can make like 10 USD, 20 USD, doing it conservatively. But what I'm going to show you guys right now, you can make even up to 100% of your trading account just doing what I'm going to show you guys right now. To maximize our trading reward, we are interested to trade only high probability trading setup, and I'm going to show you guys example on the chart. But before I show you guys example on the chart, I want you guys to take a look at this. Take a look at this amazing feature, this amazing update Fastbull have added to their website. Now, this is an AI signal generator. What it does is that it provides signal. The system is configured to provide signals, trading signals. And take a look at the win rate right here, 61.12%. Take a look at how many signals have been provided so far, 4,108. I'm going to show you guys how to, maximize this opportunity, okay? The strategy that the signal was built on is 13 strategies and all that, Now, let's take a look at the signals that have been provided so far. I think let's take a look at today's signal. You see, this was sent 32 minutes ago. Sell Euro, SAU, USD. And current P and L means minus 23.7 and all that. Now, personally, the way I'm going to work with this kind of opportunity is that I would love to come here and see the signals that are in line with maybe what I initially wanted to do, because I'm already a trader, right? So for instance, I know that today I'll be looking for a buying opportunity on Euro USD. Let's take, if you can see there's already a signal 11 hours ago, buy Euro USD, currently at minus 1.2. That means the signal is in alignment with my trade, what I wanted to do today. Let's take a look. You can see the one that was sent a long time ago. This one is already on profit. So I will be interested in taking the signal that are in line with my own trading strategy, in line with what I wanted to do originally as a trader, to build more confidence in the market. But if you originally did not have a particular plan on what you wanted to do today, this is what I will also advise in order for you guys to maximize this opportunity. If you take a look at this place, we have different providers right here. You can see this is James David, this is Skywalker, so different providers. So this is what I would do personally if I didn't know how to trade, or maybe I don't have a particular plan for the day. I will look for signal that at least two different providers are saying the same thing. For instance, you can see this one says sell GP USD. Now, if you take a look at this Euro USD buy, you can see this Euro USD now is already on profit right now. You see this sent buy on Euro USD, PR sent buy on Euro USD, value sent. So a lot of people are saying buy Euro USD, buy Euro USD. So chances are so many of them are going to be right, okay? Just apply proper risk management and then you are going to enjoy this update. Now, to get access to this signal, just come to the website, fastbull.com, go to signals, go to latest signals, click on it, and then it's going to bring you back to this place, okay? Where you have all these signals and all that. That's how to make use of it, okay? Now, let's get back to what we've been doing so far. Now, I've showed you guys how to identify high probability setup, okay? When there's a new shift in market structure from buy side to sell side. For example, this is a sell side of the curve, okay? So let's assume there's a new shift to the upside like this, okay? This is a high probability setup. What makes this high probability setup is because after every change in market direction like this, there's high level of chances that the market will continue at least one cycle of movement to the upside like this, at least one cycle. So this one cycle is where we want to capitalize on. Now, if I have a $100 account, for instance, if I have a $100 account, this is how I'm going to engage it, okay? Remember I told you guys, we are working with dynamic entry approach, okay? Now, my first entry during the London session, okay, is definitely going to be London key zone, all right, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., all right? My first entry, I'll be risking 10 to 20% of the account. And 10 to 20% of the account, I should be aiming 50% of my account, okay? Then New York session, because most times you are going to have this kind of scenario whereby London will push like this to the upside, and then there will be a retracement. This is what we call London break, okay? This is the London key zone. This is London break. Then New York key zone, we push it. I've done a strategy in the past that it has to do with something like this. New York will continue what London has done. New York session, I can go in with another 10% or 20% of the account. So if I combine both London and New York session, guys, definitely before the end of the day, I should be able to make at least 100% of my trading account. So what I need to do on daily basis is, first of all, identify my market environment like this, okay? Bullish market environment. Then next thing is identify my key zone moment, all right? London key zone is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., all right? Now, this is where I want to make sure I take my entry. I catch the move from the low of the day in order for me to trade in alignment with the direction of the day. Then the next thing is to identify New York session as well. Now, the goal is to make sure you identify the direction by, following what has already been established, the flow of the market, and also identify your key zone, because this is where you want to capitalize on this move, guys. Now, if you trade high probability setup and you engage generally in London or New York key zone, chances are you're going to make a lot of money that day, because after a fresh break of market structure, chances are the market is definitely going to continue in alignment to that direction. Okay. Another beautiful update I want to show you guys regarding Fastbook before we end this video is this, 24 hours news that they are providing right here. This express news, like everything regarding to this market, irrespective of the currency you want to trade. Like before, I used to go to other websites, trying to read out updates regarding the currency pair I want to trade. For example, Euro USD, GBP USD. So I would love to read news about the Euro and all that, read news about the US dollar. So right here, Fastbook have brought everything together. Like this website is bundle of everything you need as a trader. Okay, so here you can get the news 24 hours. Even this signal I've told you guys about is 24-hour signal providing. Okay, so here 24 hours news are here regarding anything you want to do in the market. For example, you just come here, you see the topic right here, okay, and you can even customize it if you want to customize it. All right, so everything you need is right here on this Fastbook platform. I'm going to drop the link on the description part of this video if you want to check out about this news. So I believe this video has been very, very much insightful to you guys, especially if you are new here. Please make sure you subscribe, turn up your notification button, and I'll see you guys next upload. Peace.